Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Spacecraft. Hope you guys are doing well. So here I have come with one more interesting vlog of DIY. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is a very old wooden art piece. I'm just transforming it by adding some colors. Turning my ideas into reality gives me happiness and satisfaction. I am a person who wants my thing in a perfect way, and that makes me happy and satisfied from within. I have put my ideas in colors. But this time, things didn't come out perfectly for the first time around. I stepped back and tried to accept that imperfect as perfect. But it didn't give me that satisfaction and happiness. But I didn't give up. I reworked and recreated till the time it gave me that satisfaction. And it gives me immense happiness when I see my idea in perfect colors. Thanks for watching. Till then, see you friends. Stay safe, stay happy, take care. Bye bye.